Good morning, everybody. Today's topic is electronic configuration and the periodic table of chapter 3. In this module, you will learn about the electronic configuration of elements. In addition, you will learn about the relation of electronic configuration with the location of elements in modern periodic table. Electrons in atom are distributed with some cells which are named as K cell, L cell, M cell and N cell and so on. For each cell has one or more subcells that is named as S, P, D and F and so on. Within each subcells there are certain specified orbitals their electrons are located. The distribution of electron in orbital is known as electronic configuration. The electronic configuration represented by general formula n multiplied by L raised to the power x, where n symbolize shells, L symbolize subcells and x number of electron in subcell. For example, electronic configuration 4p1 represent that there is one electron in p subcells and in fourth cell, that is M cell. The electronic configuration of elements is directly related to the position in periods or row and group or columns. The element in first period where n equals to 1 having K cell are hydrogen and helium. In hydrogen there is one electron, the electronic configuration is 1s1, and helium there is 2 electrons, the electronic configuration is 1s2. Next, second period where subcell L cell will start filling, where in addition of one electron, lithium will go in 2s orbital, that is 1s2 and 2s1, and last elements of second period is neon, that electronic configuration is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, that is known as noble gas configuration. Now third period where M cell start filling, for example sodium, the electronic configuration of sodium 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s1. Gradually, as we move from left to right, the number of electrons in M cell will increase, and last elements argon having the electronic configuration of noble gas, that is 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6. Now, fourth period where N cell start filling, for example potassium and krypton. Potassium is the first elements and krypton the noble gas, that is last elements. In between there are transition elements in which addition of argon 3d1 and 4s2, and from 3d1 electrons are adding from left to right in 3d cells, subcells. Now next fifth period start with rubidium, that's electronic configuration krypton plus 5s1 end with novel gas configuration, that is 5s2 5p6. Next, sixth period start with cesium xenon 6s1 and end with radon, that is xenon 6s2 4f14. Sorry, 5d10 and 6p6. Sorry, 1 minute. 6p6. Now seventh period, where actinides are below the fourth inner transition series, that is lanthanide series. Which start with cesium to lutetium, and actinide series, which electronic configuration is 5s 11 6d 022 and 7s2, that is thorium to lawrencium. As the modern periodic table arranged according to increasing atomic number, the element in the same group or vertical column have similar valence shell electronic configuration. For example, lithium and sodium having one electron in outermost cell, that is 2s1 and 3s1. So in last cell there is one electron that they belongs to same group. Similarly, 17th group, that is halogens, for example fluorine and chlorine, having 7 electrons in outermost cell, that is 2s2 2p5 and 3s2 3p5. In this module, you have learned that electronic configuration in the distribution of electron into different orbits. The electronic configuration of elements directly impact its position in the periodic table, and the period number indicate the cells that the gradually filled by the electron. For example, first period, it is the first cell, K cell, which is gradually filled, and so on. And the group number indicate the number of electron in the valence cell of the elements. Elements belongs to the same group have similar valence cell electronic configuration. That's all.